In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to your Squarespace website step by step. Whether you're showcasing a product, sharing a message, or adding a personal touch to your site, incorporating video can be a game changer. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace website editor. This is where all the magic happens, and you have the control to design your site to match your vision. Once you've accessed the editor, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Now, look for the option that says ADD block. This feature allows you to insert various types of content into your web page, such as text, images, and, of course, videos. Click on this button to begin the process of adding a new video block to your site. Having clicked ADD block, you're met with various options. Find and select video from this list. Squarespace provides this specific block to make adding video content as seamless and efficient as possible. Selecting the video block ensures your video is displayed correctly without any hitches. After you've added the video block, you will see an option to edit this block. Click on Edit, which will give you access to settings where you can input your video file. This step is crucial as it bridges the gap between having an empty block and adding your actual content. Next, click on Add a Video. This action opens up choices for you to either upload a file directly from your computer or add a video using a link. It's a versatile feature designed to cater to both file uploaders and link sharers. If you choose to upload directly, click on Upload File. This is perfect if you have a video saved on your computer that you want to showcase. Simply select the file and it will start uploading to your Squarespace site. Alternatively, if your video is hosted on another platform, perhaps YouTube or Vimeo, click on ADD from link. This option allows you to directly insert the URL of your video, making it extremely convenient if your content is already online. Deciding to upload a file, you'll click Upload File again, then choose the specific video from your computer. Squarespace will begin the upload process, so make sure your file is the correct format and size for a smooth upload experience. Once your video is uploaded or linked, don't forget the final crucial step. Click on Save. This ensures that all your hard work isn't lost and your video is now live on your site, ready for viewers to enjoy. And there you have it. Your video is now successfully integrated into your Squarespace website. Remember, a well-placed video can enhance user engagement, convey your message more dynamically, and elevate the overall aesthetic of your site. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!